Starting around 03 October 2023, Dogecoin truly is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.01% in truly most recent 1 hour and in every practical sense, significant way. Doge generally has a truly all-out market cap of $8,696,835,873, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $208,887,263, or so they most certainly thought. This explicitly makes Dogecoin, Doge, kind of positioning at 9 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin for the most part be genuinely worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Is Dogecoin a truly wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they thought? Will Doge cost basically outperform its untouched high in a genuinely significant manner? These for the most part are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge value sort of is supposed to fundamentally cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.093, the normal really least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to basically be $0.089 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Doge can sort of arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.098, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to be at around a truly least of $0.072, truly further appearance how Dogecoin value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to explicitly be at around a truly least of $0.072 in a very enormous manner. Dogecoin cost can arrive at a limit of $0.082, with the typical cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, which explicitly is very huge. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is for the most part anticipated to reach at an essentially least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, showing how besides Doge can especially arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.098, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Doge cost could essentially arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.085, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023 in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089 in an unobtrusive manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.086 in every practical sense, further appearance how Dogecoin cost can generally arrive at an essentially limit of $0.082, with the truly normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is generally anticipated to for the most part reach at the very least worth of $0.086 in November 2023 in a very huge way. The Doge cost could essentially arrive at a greatest worth of $0.093, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin really is in every practical sense anticipated to by and large reach at a kind of least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, exhibiting how Dogecoin value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin certainly is supposed to be at around an especially least of $0.072 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to in a real sense be at around an essentially least of $0.072, which in a real sense is very huge. The Doge cost could in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023 showing the way that the Doge cost could explicitly arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0.098, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023 in an essentially significant manner. Dogecoin in every practical sense, past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been truly diminished by 1.8% in its truly current worth, most certainly further appearance, how this especially makes Dogecoin, Doge, positioning at 9 in the digital money market in a huge way. Assuming we for the most part analyze the extremely current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap sort of is additionally down, which explicitly is genuinely critical. From truly most recent 7 days the Doge fundamentally was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.54%, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin generally has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which certainly is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge certainly diminished by 35.160%, disposing of an incredible essentially normal amount of $0.033 from its by and large current worth. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a for the most part great explicitly purchase an open door for fast interest in a very enormous manner. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 28.72%, and the cost fundamentally circled from a base kind of typical cost of $0.085 to genuinely most extreme by and large normal cost of $0.088 in the genuinely beyond 90 days in every practical sense, enormous way. Dogecoin really is somewhere near 13.87%, with the exceptionally greatest sort of typical cost of the coin certainly was around $0.076, and the very least certainly normal cost of in a real sense was around $0.073 in beyond 4 months, exhibiting that besides Doge can for the most part arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.098. Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will generally be Dogecoin especially worth in 2023, which fundamentally is very huge. The Doge cost generally is estimated to sort of arrive at a really most extreme degree of $0.098, with genuinely least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Dogecoin basically have a future, which really is very huge? As far as value, Dogecoin sort of has an extraordinary extremely potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, exhibiting that while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.086, essentially further appearance how Dogecoin cost can in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.082 with the really normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars in an exceptionally significant way. It sort of is figure that Doge will